from UKGB, presenting by Varun K.S.
Namaste. Good morning, my dear teachers and friends. Today we are celebrating Christmas. I am going to tell a beautiful story, Thirsty Crow. Let's start. Once upon a time, there was a crow. He was very thirsty. He looked for water everywhere. Last, he saw a pot in the garden. But there is a little water in the pot. He thought a plan. Collect some stones into the pot. One by one. The water came up. Crow drank the water. You have a happily. Moral of the story: where there is a will, there is